shout out to all my subscribers. Edrock and Bobby Alegria, shout out to both of you. Thank you for watching. Isla della Victoria is derived from an English name Victory Island, named after Opidio della Victoria, who was murdered in Talisay City on April 12, 2006 for his role in the fight against illegal fishing. Soon, this name will be a famous attraction in Cebu, an 80,000 square meter resort casino hotel which is expected to be completed by 2021. Located in SRPR South Road Properties on Kawit Island. A land lease contract for 50 years, granted to JG Summit Holdings Universal Hotels and Resorts Incorporated by the Cebu City Government. A 90-10 annual gross profit sharing between the two stakeholders for the entire 50 years. Cebu City Government will get the 10% share. When the 50-year lease contract expires, Cebu City will own the entire property. Ferry will invest 25 billion pesos and promise to generate 5,000 to 8,000 jobs that would benefit our local workforce and laborers. The LGU of Cebu will be at zero cost for this deal. A park, theater, bars, restaurants, convention center, a mall, a casino, a resort with 3 hotels. Surely a world-class development. This will change Cebu and its reputation to the entire world. This will bring more tourists, more money, more employment, more economic activities, promote business in the region, attract more investors, bring prosperity and progress. Together with all the other construction projects like Madani Bay, Emerald Bay, SNED-ISLA Bioseminiola, the CCLEX, the Metro Cebu Expressway, SM Cebu MARINA and many more, surely stamping this province on the world map. But with all these advancements, let us all remind ourselves that nature and environment should be a priority. Let us all strive to make this province and our entire beloved Philippines clean and green. Peace.